What's up, guys? Welcome back to the kitchen. I'm here to spice up your day today with curry chicken. Let's get cooking. Just making sure to massage the seasonings and spices into the meat very well, and it should look something like this. Now I'm just putting holes into the chicken to make sure that those spices get all the way through. Go ahead and stir it. When you're on a cooking show. Now this is my favorite rice, but please feel free to use whatever rice you like. Alright, so now we're just going to put the lid on top of the wrap. Before we cook rice, we have to wash it. Now keep track of how many times I have to rinse this rice before the water comes clean. He's not. Now you can at least see my hands through the water and not a mucky white substance. If you're interested in the impurities and the reasons why we need to wash and rinse our rice, let me know in the comments and I'll make sure to make another video of that. Multitasking at work. I am now about to wash these dishes as that food is cooking. Here now that the meat is done, we're just taking it out of the pot and we're going to let it cool down a bit before we add some coconut milk. Kids, let's eat. Catch you in the next video.